Hello techies. In this session, we will understand what is Microsoft Word and what is Microsoft Word online business in brief. Alright, first we'll start with Microsoft Word. Microsoft Word is a commercial word processor designed by Microsoft. Microsoft Word is one of the most widely used component of Microsoft Office suite of productivity software, but can also be purchased as a standalone product. Microsoft Word was initially launched in 1983 named as Multi-Tool Word, but later was renamed as Microsoft Word, that is MS Word, and has since been revised numerous times. It is available for both Windows and Apple operating system. Microsoft Word is often called simply Word or MS Word. The extension of any Word file is .docx or .doc. Now, what are the uses of Microsoft Word? Microsoft Word enables users to write ups, create documents, resumes, contracts, etc. This is one of the most commonly used programs under the Office suite. Now, we'll understand about Microsoft Word Online. In today's modern world, students and professionals use Microsoft Word to create, edit, and design different documents. However, purchasing the Microsoft Word desktop version and downloading and installing it on our PC takes work. Now, can you use Microsoft Word without installing it and paying a license cost? Yes, it is possible with Microsoft Word Online Business. Microsoft Word Online is the web version of Microsoft Word, is a part of Microsoft 365 suite. We can use our browser's online version of Microsoft Word for free. We only need a Microsoft account to access the Microsoft 365 website. All our documents will be saved to Microsoft OneDrive. We can easily open and edit our documents from anywhere on any device using our OneDrive account. We can also share our documents with our colleagues and friends. The web version of Microsoft Word has some of the basic features of the desktop version. However, it has all the required features to fulfill our requirements. Alright, in the upcoming sessions, we will learn how to work with Word Actions and Word Online Business Actions in detail. Under Microsoft Word, we are having Launch Word Action, Attach to Running Word, Save Word, Close Word, Read from Word Document, Write to Word Document, Insert Image in Word Document, Find the replace words in Word document. These are all actions are available in Word Actions. And there are two actions are available in Word Online Business. One is convert Word document to PDF. Another one, populate a Microsoft Word template action. In the upcoming sessions, we will learn these actions step by step. Alright, let's get started.